relationship with Satyapol over the last many years, and I've been wearing a lot of their saris. I have to say, personally, I must be owning close to 40 Satyapol saris, which is a lot.
Wow, that was quite a smashing night. Bollywood stars, beautiful people and clothes to match. Now you know where to head to shop for that New Year's bash. Right now, it's time for a short break. See you in a bit on High Life Dubai. Coming up, shoe fashion with Qasadiya and a look at the ETA Star project, Homes for the Homeless with Habitat for Humanity. Welcome back. Let's check out the new collection of Qasadiya on their 50th anniversary. Each shoe of Qasadiya is drawn on imagination and perfectionism to make women feel and look beautiful. Speak to Mr. Cesar Qasadiya, the pioneer of this passionate venture.
The shoes is my life. My job of my family is my story. I think is when I was young, I speak about shoes. The people speak around me about shoes, and also the smell of the shoes is in my life. I think this is the passion is inside in my blood, and I hope to continue the beautiful job that my parents give me the possibility to make. And this is, I think, is not only a job, but is also an opportunity to give some special shoes for all the Cinderella are in the world.
Giving is the spirit of Christmas, and this Christmas, let's share our blessing. हम सब एक ही सोसाइटी का हिस्सा है, और जितनी जल्दी हम ये बात समझ ले, उतनी ही जल्दी हम अपनी दुनिया को बेहतर बना सकते हैं. And that's why I was touched with the effort of ETA Star Property to provide home for homeless. The event was held at the Intercon Dubai, which saw a melodious performance by Santoor player Rahul Sharma. This event was organized by ETA Star Properties to auction John Abraham's jacket and football. And guess what? John Abraham ने खुद अपना jacket auction किया. How cool!
In real life, honestly, most of us on screen are really not. Let's face it. The real heroes out there are the guys who actually go down to grassroots and do a lot for society. We use our position from where we are to kind of activate and mobilize funds, and I think that's my role. As far as Habitat for Humanity is concerned, I've actually gone down to sites, and this is something that all of you should know, guys. Giving money is one thing, and we love doing that, we all do that, and by the grace of God, all of us here have a lot of money. The other special thing is actually going down there and building homes for these people, and I've participated in what is popularly called a build, where you actually go down and make the home for these poor people. We've heard so much about the global meltdown, and they committed a figure of $2 million over 3 years, $2 million over 3 years. And post the global meltdown, they haven't budged from their commitment. So ETA Star and partners, thank you so much for this valuable contribution. It really means a lot.
We come to our next segment, High Focus. High Focus में हम हर हफ्ते उन सोशल इश्यूज पर फोकस करते हैं जो हम सब के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. High Focus is created to give a platform to all you viewers to communicate with us and each other. And this week, once again, we focus on AIDS. And this week, we are going to give you the details of support groups available in UAE, India and Pakistan for HIV positive and AIDS patients.
Support groups in UAE. In the UAE, HIV/AIDS is a low prevalence disease, and available data, both national and international, confirms that the risk in the UAE remains to date relatively low. To this end, the Ministry of Health, the Red Crescent UAE and UNDP have joined hands to strengthen AIDS awareness programs throughout the UAE, targeting in particular among youth in government, high schools and universities. Student ambassadors have been appointed to help not only their fellow students attain a higher awareness of AIDS, but also to be source of information and sensitization in their neighborhoods. Support groups in India. Solidarity and Action Against the HIV Infection, Solution Exchange for the AIDS Community, the Naz Foundation Trust, Prism, Tarshi. Support groups in Pakistan, Ahung, Karachi.
With that, we come to the end of this episode. Don't forget to visit our website for more information and also to win loads of prizes. As you know, we are running a campaign with MAC Cosmetics, wherein you get to win a gift hamper every week for next 3 months. So what are you waiting for? Log on right away. Merry Christmas to all of you and have a great vacation. Don't miss our New Year's special episode next week. Till then, have fun.
Hi, this is Rocky S.
Hi, this is Raghuvinder Rathore.
Hi, this is Fardeen Khan.
Hi, this is Manisha Lamba.
Hi, I'm Ashish Soni.
Hi, I'm Rohit Gandhi.
Wendell Rodriguez.
This is Vikram Fadnis.
I am Rahul Khanna.
This is Malini Ramani.
Hi, I'm Mandira Bedi and I'd like to wish all the viewers of the Sony Entertainment Channel a very Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
A very, very Merry Christmas.
Very Merry Christmas.
And keep watching High Life Dubai.
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 High Life Dubai. Rock on.